Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, type up the video, joining as a member of this channel, and let's get started with this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a pullover into a zip-up hoodie. So I'm sure you guys remember this hoodie from my last video. It was a gift from YouTube, and I mentioned my creator friend also had the small size, but it was too small, so I suggested adding a zipper. So if you're looking for how to turn all those pullovers and you don't want to just wear a pullover over your head every single time, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. So guys, for this, you're going to take your hoodie and then you're going to rule a line at the center, the exact center. Now, if you don't want to make any mistake, what I'm doing in my own case, instead of ruling a line, is I'm going to fold it into two just like this. Make sure it is equal. And then we're going to cut through the first layer, through it to this place. Now, once you get to this top part, you're going to stop. When you get to where the hoodie is and where it's sewn, you're going to stop, open it up. So can you guys see it? I'm going to still cut it till I get to that, almost that stitch. Now that I'm there, I'm going to use my seam ripper to rip this seam open. So losing that a bit and then still losing this hoodie part because it's sewn together. So I also loosened a little bit from the hoodie. So not just that middle, I also loosened it a little bit. So let me put it down so you guys can see very clearly. So remember, before it was overlapped like this, but now it's like this. Now I'm going to cut this out open. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my zipper and I'm going to put it on these two sides. I'm going to show you guys how I'm putting it, but I'm putting it on these two sides. So the way we always put our zippers, that's what I'm going to do. So I've top stitched it right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is this opening that is here, this cut right here, I'm going to fold it right sides facing each other. Now you're going to notice it's longer than this part right here. So this side is longer than here. You are going to overlap a part, like pleat it. So the longer part, you're going to pleat it to be this measurement. So if you guys can see, it is overlapping. Now I'm going to pleat it a little bit on this side and then put it right here. So don't put it on top of where the zip is, just put it right here and then sew it down to where the cut stops. So sew it from this beginning to this side, and with that you're going to have what this side looks like. So I've sewn this one. Can you guys see the front? This is what it should look like, and this is the back. Can you guys see the overlap of this one? Now after you do that, you're now going to fold it up and top stitch it. Remember, it's already top stitched on a norm, so I'm going to complete the top stitch right there. Can you guys see? I have sewn it and I've top stitched it on this spot right here. Can you see? This is what the back looks like. Now if I had a serger, I would have just serged it from the onset, but it still looks good. I still like how it looks. So this is it. This is the front. This is the pleat. Then I also sewed down the excess of the zip. So can you see? And guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot from it. If you try this method out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Guys, please subscribe. Join as a member on this channel. I have 3 tiers that are very affordable. So guys, you guys should check it out. They have different perks. Comment in the comment section, like this video, share within and outside your circle, watch other videos on this channel. I have so many amazing videos on this channel. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.